Good evening and welcome again to another live trading session with me, 𝗕𝗓𝗡𝗄𝗄𝗄𝗓. Now, this is day number 4, guys. It's already day 4 of our 5 days challenge. For those of you who are new to the channel, basically the 5 days challenge is all about showing you how you can earn every day on an incremental basis $100. All right, so that means we started off Monday earning $100, Tuesday $200, etc., and we're going to make it all the way to Friday with a $500 day. All right, and $500 actually means net profit $500. That's the entire objective that we're trying to achieve. All right. So for those of you who are entirely new to this, you have no idea what's going on the channel, you're actually looking at my live trading account on IQ Option. The sign up link is down below, so just go ahead and hit that if you want to, and you'd be taken right into it to sign up for a free account. Now, I've just gone ahead and put in my first trade for the evening, and that's I've selected $350, and I've on a successful outcome, I stand to pocket 81% return, so that's $283. Okay, so that's just over halfway of what I intended to make. So that was, again, guys, $400 in net profit by every day. So today is day 4, so we're looking at a tad bit close there, but we do have $283.50 pocketed from the first trade of the evening. All right, so again, guys, our goal was to earn $400 when we started off. We are now up $283. Okay, so that's $283 that we have pocketed, and we still have some way to go to earn the rest. And for those of you who are entirely new to the channel, all right, so basically we intended to start on this 5 days channel, 5 days series of trading videos to show beginners who are especially new to binary options trading that it's entirely possible and doable to earn a very significant portion of income from simply trading online, especially now when most people are actually stuck at home, etc. All right, so this is trade number 1 for the evening. Again, this is day number 4 of the challenge. Okay, now jumping back into it, I do see another opportunity there, and I am gonna just give me a second, guys. Let me just have a quick look at it. Oops, hang on with that. So again, the goal, like I said, was to earn $400 in net return. I'm gonna actually take this. I might be a bit close there. All right, that's fine. Missed the window there, guys. All right, so anyway, coming straight to it, I'm gonna wait and see whether I'm gonna be able to spot another opportunity, guys. The goal was to trade the euro versus the Japanese yen. All right, this is the forex pair we're looking to trade. It's a binary option trade. Now, in binary options trade, your key decision is entirely dependent on timing, and as well as the decision. The decision is just selecting higher or lower, right? So basically all you're doing is you're forecasting the movement of the chart in 30 seconds, which is from the white line here to the red line. All right, so this is the purchase deadline and this is the expiration line, and you're pretty much forecasting what the trend of the movement of the chart in 30 seconds is, and you're just going to hit higher or lower here and put an amount in. Now, the beauty of it is the fact that it promises returns that you have you are pretty much have never heard of. All right, 81% return on a successful outcome on a successful trade. So as you can see, that's simply why we can easily earn $100 to $500 and even thousands of dollars a day if you really wanted to. All right. Now again, guys, if you want complete access to the same platform and follow along as I do my trades, just go ahead and hit on that sign up link at the button below, and you'd have complete unfettered access to the same platform. Now, if this video has been helpful to you in any way, I'd also very, very much appreciate a like and a subscribe. Smash on the button down there so I can continue, recording my videos. It's a tad bit it's really not that easy actually trying to trade, talk, and analyze trends, but it's something I'm motivated to do the more I see you guys enjoy the kind of videos that I produce. All right, So go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the like button to tell me that you actually enjoy watching videos like this, so I can take the effort to do so. All right, because otherwise I'm pretty happy just trading on my own, guys, because that just kind of gives me more focus sometimes, you know. So anyway, coming back to it, we are up $283. We still need just over about $122 or so to make up our target of achieving $400 for this evening. All right. Again, this is day 4 of our 5 days challenge, where we incrementally earn $100 every single day over the course of 5 days. Okay, so that's a very nice opportunity, guys. What I'm actually doing while I'm talking to you, since I didn't have the time to explain it to you, is looking for trends. Okay, now the important thing you want to remember about trends is that you want to actually time your trades to as close as possible to the white line. So if you notice, I don't really take trades very far away from the white line, because I feel that, all right, that's the direction I wanted it. That's a nice drop considering I hit select. I selected lower. So as soon as, in a couple of seconds, as long as the chart remains below the red line, I stand to pocket $121.50, bringing me well over the $400 target that I set out. That's a nice drop there, guys. There you go. So that's $121.50. Okay, that was trade number 2 for the day, and we are now up just over $400, guys. I think it's like $405 at the moment. Our target was to earn $400, and we are well above that now. So we made 2 trades. The first trade being $350, which netted us $283.50. The second trade being for $150, netting us a total of $121.50. So well over the $400 we wanted to make, guys. That's our objective, our target for day number 4, which was earn $400 in daily profit from trading binary options. So guys, basically what I'm trying to get at is you can do this. All right, we started day 1 with $100. We're now at day 4, and we just made $400 from trading binary options. Okay, now you can sign up for the account, like I said, with the link below, and do keep in mind that a minimum deposit is just $10. All right, so if I can do it, you can too. Now let me rewind a little bit and tell you why I did the trades when I did. Now, I depend on trading binary options solely on technical indicators. So I have been looking at this chart for a while. You can see it's pretty flat with a general downtrend here, slight uptrend, and it's flat. And in fact, it's actually trading on the downside. So now on the second trade, I kind of knew that the overall picture, the big picture of the chart is a downtrend, okay? And that the fact that there was actually a bit of a spike just before I entered the trade, if you notice this part here. So that combined with the indicators that I saw down here gave me an idea that it is, poised to head down. The thing, like I said, about timing is that you want to time your trade so you can make an educated guess very close to the white line, because you don't want to do it here because you have no idea what it's going to show you before here, right? So if you go ahead and select an option to go higher or lower here, and then you're basically, you're leaving it to fate all this time here. So all this extra time until you come to the beginning of the trade is extra risk, and I definitely don't recommend that you guys do that. I don't as well personally. So as you saw, I time it very close to the white line because that allows me to process all the data and the chart and stuff before making a decision, which is what you should be doing. When you enter a trade very close to the white line, you're actually minimizing your risk as well. So when I did that, I saw that uptick. I knew a downtrend was coming, and it came my way pretty shortly after that. It became quite significant as well, which is good. And that just put me over my $400 daily profit from trading binary options was. All right. So guys, this is really not rocket science. Unlike Forex, where the returns are variable, you make 10%, maybe 2%, maybe. In binary options trade, on a successful trade, you stand to pocket easily above 80%, guys. All right, it's really the norm kind of return. So to me, if you're going to be trading and taking on risks, The reason I love binary options is this, because if I'm trading, I'm taking on risks. You know that as well as I do. So if I'm going to risk something for returns, I'm also just go for a return that's going to give me significantly more in binary options versus something else that gives me 2% or 5%. I mean, why bother taking risks if your returns are not justified for the returns, right? So that's basically why I embarked on trading binary options like close to about 5 years back. And I've been able to trade profitably, consistently, and having a very, very comfortable monthly income coming in this way as well. Now, considering most of you are stuck at home, unable to get to jobs, having a severe reduction in salary and income, this is something you guys could definitely do. Okay, so just go ahead and sign up for that link down below. Give me a subscribe, and I'm gonna call it an end, guys. And it's day number 4 of a 5 days challenge, just over midnight now, 1st of May. Hopefully I'll be able to make another video to call day number 5 tomorrow, right? So check out the videos for day number 2 and 3 that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you tomorrow on day number 5. Cheers, take care guys, bye now.